Sassy's kind of flipping it out.
Baby, can I give you something? Yours wins
Whoa!
the I made it contest. I like the yellow mark. Isn't that cool? How yellow marks are making.
Cool!
And try it.
That didn't work. Okay, here, I'll give you the runover. Okay? This makes it go up, see? This. Okay, so you basically have to do the opposite of this control, okay? So when you go up, if you want to go forward, you have to pull back. Oh wait, never mind.
Nope.
I thought that's how it worked.
It wasn't the opposite.
Well,
Nope. When you want to go forward, you push forward a little bit.
Oh, I gotta get under room. There we go. Okay, so push it forward to get it to go forward, okay? Okay. That, to go like that. See? Hey, I'm getting the hang of this.
Okay. I get it.
Here, out.
Now, Ellie, if it gets too high, you need to...
Can you reach your center for me, please?
Here. Come on.
How about we do this together?
Hold on.
It's okay. Oh, I'd...
Or not. Alright, here, let me help you. Okay? Ready? Take her off. And let's get it go. Oh. Yeah. Great landing, Ellie. Right where we were. Here, come over here.
Hey, Jolie, why don't you look over here and say thank you to someone?
Thank you, Aunt Kitty.